Hey everybody, it's Lano again from Modern Home Systems Rancho Santa Fe, bringing you today's tech tip, QuickTime Screen Recording. Okay guys, if you've always been wondering how I do these tech tips and record everything that's happening on the screen, today's your lucky day. I'm going to show you how to use QuickTime Screen Capture or Screen Recording. It's a really cool feature built into the actual QuickTime application, which comes with the Apple computers. Right now I'm actually using a program that is another recommended program if you want to do screen captures, your own tech tips, or just visual walkthroughs to put online. It's an application called ScreenFlow. And ScreenFlow here, as you can see, excuse me, got my Final Cut open the back. ScreenFlow here is $99. It's a program that allows you to record everything that you do on the screen, and then you can actually add fonts to it, fades, just like a Final Cut Pro or an iMovie, but specifically made or basically catered more towards doing these kind of tutorials, these video tutorials on your iMac or your MacBook. Really cool thing. I've used it multiple times. I'm actually using it now to show you all the screen recordings because I'm going to do QuickTime, which is another screen recording application that comes free, not $99. But I'm going to show you how to use the QuickTime one, and I'm recording it with ScreenFlow so I can show you a screen recording within a screen recording program. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to really demonstrate it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this out, but at $99 if you guys want to purchase it. But again, you don't have to, because with iMovie and the QuickTime screen recording together, you kind of get this package and already built into your computer. So I'm going to close that out. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to our applications here, which would also be in our Finder. You'll click and open up Finder, go to your applications, and you have QuickTime here. I'm going to double click on that. You see the QuickTime opens up here. No page will open up per se. It's just going to be the QuickTime opens up here in the top menu bar. What you want to do is you're going to deal with File. We're going to click on File, and then you have three options here in File. You have New Movie Recording. If you were to select this, it would use the actual camera on the computer to record your face, and you can see yourself if you want to do. I know a lot of girls do like makeup tutorials, or if you just really want to talk to your audience with the face. Right now I would love to do that, but I'm not looking too good. My hair is all crazy and everything. The beard's not shaven. So I won't do that one. We also have New Audio Recording, which you can just do audio recording like a podcast. Just you can actually just talk and record it instead of having to use let's say iMovie or Final Cut just to record your voice. You can just record your voice and it'll put it in audio format for you. And the one we're going to do today, this is New Screen Recording. And with New Screen Recording, we'll record everything that's on the screen. You can actually select a certain area that you want to record as well. So we're going to click and open that up. And here we have our little control bar for the application. You can see right here you have your record button. We have your actual monitoring levels right here. So if I click this and I start moving up, you can hear me. I'm going to turn that down because my voice will start squealing because it's very close to the microphone. And then you have your little peak limiter here, which actually tells you how high you're going. You won't go into red as long as you can kind of control the input of your microphone. But I have one of these USB mics right now, and perfect levels on these guys. Okay, right here, this little down arrow. When you click on this down arrow, it gives you your microphone options. You can do none, so if you just want to do visuals and just record that, you can do so. Built-in microphone in the actual device, the iMac or MacBook computer. And then I'm using a Samsung here. USB microphone. Awesome microphone. You can get a lot of these online, Amazon, everywhere. Pretty cheap now. There's a lot of competition between them, so you can find some good deals. And also down here, you have options, which is show mouse click. So if you're doing an online tutorial and you're clicking on things and you want to show people exactly where you're clicking and they really can't see the mouse or something, it'll actually do like a little ripple effect. When you click it, a little ripple will show up, letting you know exactly where you're clicking. I'm going to leave that on. So basically the next step, I'm going to show you the first way, and that is recording everything on the screen. So we're going to hit record. And then you have an option here that says click to record the full screen, which if you just click directly on the screen, it'll start recording everything that's on the screen, everything we see now. There's also drag to record a part of the screen. So you can click and actually drag, and it'll create a little small blocked out section that you want to record. And to end it, we're going to actually go up here and we're going to hit the stop button here. You can actually see here is the little icon for the ScreenFlow, which is recording right now. But we're going to deal with this guy. We're going to show you how to use this guy. So the first one I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the screen. Now it's going to start showing everything I'm doing. I'm moving the mouse around. I'm going to go down. We're going to open up Modern Home Systems website. I'm just going to scroll up and down so you can see that it's capturing all the movement. I'm even going to play a little video here. This is last week's tech tip. Hey everybody, this is Lano from Modern Home Systems Rancho Santa Fe, bringing you today's tech tip. Make a full screen how to take screenshots on Mac and iOS. Okay, the first command I'm going to stop playing. That's going to get pretty loud. I'm going to record that. And now I'm going to go up here to the top, and I'm going to hit stop. And there you go. It opens up a preview window of what we were just watching. Let's turn the volume down so it's not as loud. I'm going to click play. Now it's going to start showing everything I'm doing. I'm moving the mouse around. And you can see it's starting to say everything that I was just saying right now. I'm actually recording the tech tip, and I'm showing you how to do the screen recording right here on the screen. Down. We'll even go down here to the good stuff. The actual us surfing through the web page. You make a full screen for you. And you can hear my double voice doing the tech tip and showing you the actual screen recording at once. First command. Okay, I'm going to stop playing it. Okay, I probably confused you right there with 3 different Lano voices. So that's one way of doing it. Also up here, you have a way of saving it. So what I like to do is like to close it out, and then it'll ask me, do I want to save it before? And I can name it whatever I want to name it. And then you can choose where you want to put it. And I usually put it at desktop so I can get to it right away and drag it into my Final Cut. And if I had ScreenFlow, I would just record, and ScreenFlow is kind of nice. It just throws it right into the program for you. You can put tags on it. You can hit don't save if you don't like it, and then you just redo the process file, screen recording, or you can hit save after you're done. We're not going to save this one. What we're going to do, we're going to go on to the next one now. So we're going to do QuickTime, new screen recording. And what I want to do now is I want to get down to that video again. Let me turn the volume down. I don't want to double my voice up again. I'm going to turn it all the way down. And now I'm going to play this video. I'm going to select record, but now I'm going to choose the exact area I want to record. I'm going to click here and drag across just this little section, and there we go. And then I'm going to hit start recording. Now it's just going to record that little area that I just highlighted with that square. We're going to hit stop up here, and there you go. It just does that specific section. Now it's just going to record that little area that I just highlighted with that square. That's a really cool feature. If you don't want to get a whole thing and crop it down later, you can crop right there in the moment. So what we're going to do is we're going to close this out, and I'm just going to put tip on this one, and then I'm going to save it to the desktop. Hit save. You can see it's going to pop up here in the right corner. I can close this out here, and now I'm going to go to actual Final Cut, where I'm going to load it in. This is where I actually edit all my tech tips, and I'm going to grab it, drag it right across the screen, and drop it right into my project. And voila, there you go. Screen recording, save it right on your desktop, drag it in, and just start editing with your program. And that's it. That's how I do my weekly tech tips. Hopefully you guys put this to use like all the other tech tips I've showed you. Hopefully you use them all. But this one is really awesome. Say you're a video game player and you really want to show off your skills online, and you want to show your friends the high scores you got and anything like that, or just a cool little video you saw, you can send it right through messages or an email directly on your computer, and you can share with all your friends. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and hope you go out and make tech tips yourself. Thanks for tuning in, guys. And for any more information, feel free to contact us here at the Rancho Santa Fe location, and we'll be glad to help.